Hi guys, good morning again. Welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. This morning I'll be cooking a saltfish recipe for breakfast. Now as you can see, it's just plain ingredients: bell pepper, tomato, onion, hot pepper, a little thyme, a little scallion, and the saltfish itself, and a little black pepper. That's just it, a simple breakfast. Join me in the kitchen. So guys, I went ahead and add my saltfish to the water to boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes to try to get rid of the excess salt, because you don't want the fish to taste very salt after you cook it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the rest of my seasoning to add to the pot. So I'm gonna cut them up while the saltfish is being boiled. There you go guys, chopped up the vegetable and it's gonna be ready for the pot. Now it's boiling up. Okay guys, there you go, it's finished boiling. So what I'm gonna do now is and as you go on guys, you need to change your gloves. I've gone ahead and done that because I'd buy the gloves in the packs. So what you want to do now is go ahead and crush it. You can crush it to the size that you wish to serve it at, but I always crush it as like medium to fine. There you go. So what I'm gonna do now is to set the frying pan to fry with the oil and add all of these ingredients. Okay guys, you don't want to add a lot of oil, so probably a tablespoon or so. You don't want a lot of oil, so careful with the oil peeps. So not more than maybe a tablespoon or two. When the oil gets hot, you add your vegetable and the saltfish. Season it with a little black pepper and leave it to cook for a little while. There you go guys, look at the beautiful colors of the vegetables. So you're just gonna cover it right now and put it on a low flame to just cook. It doesn't take long to cook, because remember you had already boiled the saltfish, and then the vegetable you just stir fry it along with the saltfish. Okay guys, there you go, saltfish, or otherwise called codfish. This I'll be serving with banana, dumpling and Irish potato. Join me at the table. Guys, the finishing touch. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for just easy and simple homemade dish, mostly Caribbean dishes. Thanks.